Good morning. Good morning. It's DJ Stocks. Once again here for a stock market report. Let's get ducky. Yes, we're here with the good, the bad, and the ugly today. And the Hooters mug and some K-Cup. A K-Cup this morning. Almost like fresh coffee. Oh. And our ever-present bag of peanuts. Boy, we took a slap across the face yesterday. Market was down, but it's coming back today. Let me bring the music down and we're going to talk about it. Let's talk about it. Good morning. Today is April 21st, Tuesday. It's a Tuesday. I know it's a Tuesday because my computer and my cell phone are telling me it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's dollar slider night at my local pub. Might be heading to that. So if you haven't been with this channel before, I'm DJ Stocks, the old retired guy, investing his money in the stock market, trying to make a few bucks, but yesterday we didn't make a few bucks. We lost a few bucks. And we've got to report the good with the bad. I'm telling you, I've given you the straight story. I mean, I was crying for like, what, 2.5 months? I was losing money like a sieve in February and March. God, we were taking it on the nose. And then something happened in April. And someone blessed us. Maybe it was the guy above. Maybe it was Pope Leo. Check out the video of me and Pope Leo. Short there. Got a short of me and Pope Leo. But anyway, let's get into it. Let me show you the good, the bad, and the real ugly from yesterday. Here's my portfolio. There you go. Looks like, we lost $2,500 on Google, $1,400 on Microsoft, $1,300 on Micron Technology. American Express, we took 864 beating. Visa was down 616. Our international index fund was down 450. Palantir keeps going down. Charles Schwab was starting to come back. And what else? We got NVIDIA, gave us just a little bit of a bump, and Robinhood a little bit of a bump, and Palo Alto Networks gave us $1,000, a little over $1,000. And we were down almost $5,400, and the portfolio's still $33,000 negative, which isn't bad. That used to be 180. That's just crazy. So we got some makeup to do here. And look, we got a profit on the video right now, and I believe a profit on Google of almost $15,000. So those be the ugly numbers from yesterday. Once again, we're not giving financial advice. We're just showing you what we're doing here. This is what we're doing. And yesterday we lost money. Today, I do believe we're going to make money. The future's looking bright, right? As they say, your future's looking bright. Might need some sunglasses. Let's see here. Might need those orange sunglasses today. Going to be 76 degrees here in Chicago. Just put those up there just in case. NASDAQ's up 120. Dow is up almost $300 here at 7:15 in the morning Central Daylight Time here in Chicago. Still got an hour and 15 minutes before the market opens. Gold is down almost $15, and good old silver is at $79.27. It's down 82 cents. But that's, we're always holding this stuff. We're always holding this stuff. Lordy, keep dollar cost averaging into this stuff or the yellow stuff. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Long-term play, long-term. Buy and hold. Buy and hold. It'll make you ring the register there. That is a good move, I'm telling you. Get yourself some of that stuff. There you go. There you go. So that's the report for this morning as my sunglasses come falling off. I hope you're having a good week. Spring is here. I'm telling you, spring is here. We had a little bit of fog. We got some flooding here in Chicago. And as always, we got crime. Crime is everywhere. I'm telling you, it's getting bad. It be getting bad. We need to party at my local Hooters before they close down. I'm telling you. And, yeah. Everyone I talk to who lives in the city, I talked to a guy over the weekend that lives down by Wrigleyville, and he says that he can't. He also has a property in Florida, but he can't deal with the Florida summers, so he comes back to Chicago and stays in his Wrigleyville condo. And he says he was assaulted. He was assaulted a couple of months ago and called the police. The police said, "You're just lucky you didn't get killed, and there's really nothing we can do. We're not going to be able to catch this guy." They didn't even take a police report. They just told him how lucky he was to be alive. And I didn't get into exactly if he lost his wallet or what, but yeah, him and his wife were just out walking around and something happened. And but he says he loves Chicago. He loves Chicago. And this guy's a staunch Republican, I'm here to tell you. He is a staunch Republican. He just doesn't have a brain. He just doesn't have a brain. And he says he just loves Chicago, and he has no reason to leave Chicago, even if he's getting people doing things to him like this. Oh, yeah, he was lucky he didn't get that, but maybe next time. Maybe there'll be a next time. Yeah, the people love that neighborhood. A lot of rich people live there, so maybe they'll be back to get some more. So that's all I got for you today. Like, share, subscribe. We're going to make some money today. I guarantee we're going to make some money today. So over and out, it's DJ Stocks. Like, share, subscribe. Our channel is going ballistic. I'm telling you, it's almost like a bomb. We're heading to the moon with Armistice. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Over and out, DJ Stocks.